Hello everyone, welcome back to Scodex. In today's video, we are going to build a modern AI landing page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project has a beautiful modern design, smooth animations, glassmorphism effects, and a fully responsive layout. If you are a beginner in web development, don't worry. I will show you the complete process step by step. Before we start coding, let's first take a look at the final website. This is the complete project that we are going to build in this tutorial. You can see the modern navigation bar, the hero section, beautiful feature cards, responsive layout, smooth animations, and many interactive elements. Everything is built using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now let's get started. First, here is our project folder. Inside this folder, we have 3 files: index, HTML, style.css, and script.js. The HTML file is used to create the structure of the website. The CSS file is used to design and style the website. The JavaScript file is used to add interactive features and improve the user experience. Now let's open this project in Visual Studio Code and start building our website. Let's begin with the HTML file. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the foundation of every website. In this file, we create the basic structure of our landing page. We add the navigation bar, logo, menu links, hero section, headings, buttons, feature cards, pricing section, testimonials, FAQ section, contact section, and footer. At this stage, we are only creating the structure of the web page. There are no colors, animations, or styling yet. Keeping the HTML clean and well organized makes the project easier to understand and maintain. Now let's save the HTML file and see the result in the browser. As you can see, all the content is displayed, but the website looks very simple because we have not added any CSS styling yet. This is completely normal because HTML only creates the structure of the web page. Now let's move on to the CSS file. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is responsible for making the website beautiful and professional. In this section, we add colors, fonts, spacing, gradients, shadows, border radius, glassmorphism effects, hover animations, transitions, and responsive layouts. We also use Flexbox and CSS Grid to align all the elements properly. Modern websites are not only about functionality but also about user experience, and CSS helps us create that experience. We also add smooth animations to make the website look more attractive. After adding the CSS code, let's save the file and refresh the browser. Now you can see a huge difference. The website has a modern dark theme, beautiful buttons, clean layouts, responsive cards, and professional styling. Everything now looks much better than before. Now it's time to add JavaScript. JavaScript makes our website interactive and dynamic. Without JavaScript, the website would only be static. In this project, JavaScript is used to add smooth scrolling, the mobile navigation menu, active navigation links, scroll animations, interactive effects, FAQ accordion functionality, and other dynamic features. These small interactions make the website feel modern and improve the overall user experience. After adding the JavaScript code, let's save the file once again and refresh the browser. Now everything is working perfectly. The navigation menu works smoothly, the animations look beautiful, and the interactive elements respond correctly. Now let's take one final look at our completed AI landing page. As you can see, we have successfully built a modern and fully responsive website using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The design looks clean and professional, the animations are smooth, and the layout works perfectly on different screen sizes. This project is a great addition to your web development portfolio and also a good way to practice your front-end development skills. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the Scodex channel for more HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. You can download the complete source code from the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!